2008 Dodge Cummins turbo diesel. It's got the 2.5-inch leveling kit up front, 35, 12, 50, 18 Nitto trail grapplers, and it's got an 18x10 Moto metal rim, blue in color. It's the mega cab, so it gives you a little bit of room behind the back seat. It's got the aftermarket steps, make it easy to get in the vehicle. It's got a custom exhaust, come out to 4-inch tip. The inside in great shape, cloth seats, aftermarket radio, hooked up with the trailer brake so it's easy to haul stuff. It's also got a edge programmer where you get good gas mileage. Back seat, plenty of room back here, and that folds back so you got even more room.